So for those who requested for styles without gel, these videos are for you, loves. You can also go through my other videos and find something for yourself. Just keep trying. You can do it. You can achieve it. And yeah. Hey boss, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you another easy hairstyle, beginners friendly, something very easy and simple that you could achieve by yourself without adding any gel like I'm going to do in this particular video. So the only thing I'm going to add is my hair cream and my gloves water just to prevent breakage. Yeah, you can use normal water. I'm using glove water because having sometimes some breakage, so I'm trying to prevent it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share, boost. And if you are my old returning subscriber, I would like to take this opportunity to say a big thanks to you. I love you all, guys. Now I will let you continue watching this video. Let's see what we can achieve today and keep trying my hairstyles. They are very easy and I'm doing it on your choice, right? Love you all. Let's do it.
Everybody has a turn back moment. You have a moment where you could go forward or you can give up. But the thing you have to keep in mind before you give up is that if you give up, the guarantee is it will never happen. That's the guarantee of quitting, that it will never happen, no way under the sun. The only way the possibility remains that it can happen is if you never give up no matter what.